Grandpa fell. Oh no. You better go get him. Go help him.
Can you help me up? Can you help me up?
Help Grandpa. Help him. Blake. That's not very nice. Woo! Where's Grandpa? He's gone. You didn't help him and he's gone. Where'd he go? You don't know? Did you find him? Oh, Grandpa's in the back of the truck.
Did you find me?
Oh.